the last video, we were talking about how to plan a trip to Georgia and the step-by-step description of the e-visa application. In this video we are going to take off our trip to Georgia and will show you the places we visited on the first day of our arrival. Welcome to Georgia, where ancient traditions meet stunning landscapes. Georgia, country of Transcaucasia located at the eastern end of the Black Sea on the southern flanks of the main crest of the Greater Caucasus Mountains. It is bounded on the north and northeast by Russia, on the east and southeast by Azerbaijan, on the south by Armenia and Turkey, and on the west by the Black Sea. We hired a taxi from Tbilisi International Airport to the apartment where we booked for our 3-day stay in Tbilisi. After check-in and freshening up, we walked through the streets of Old Tbilisi. It was 8 p.m. local time then and the sun was yet to set. First we reached the Meydan Bazar Square where local artists were performing an orchestra. We stood there some time and listened to this music bonanza welcoming us to Georgia. The streets are often cobbled, adding to the historic feel of the area. These cobblestones can be uneven, so comfortable shoes are recommended when exploring. Scattered throughout the area are small cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy traditional Georgian cuisine such as khachpuri, cheese-filled bread, and khinkali, dumplings. Many of these eateries have outdoor seating, perfect for people watching. The bazaar, while being an experience in itself, also provides spectacular views of local landmarks including Reich Park, the Matkavari River, Meteki Bridge, Meteki Church, and the majestic Narikla Fortress overhead. Welcome to Tbilisi, the vibrant capital of Georgia. In today's video, we are taking you on a journey through one of the city's most iconic spots, Meydan Bazar. This bustling marketplace is more than just a shopping destination. It's a window into the rich cultural tapestry of Georgia. Meydan Bazar is located in the heart of Old Tbilisi, at the foot of the Narikla Fortress. This area has been a hub of commerce for centuries, dating back to the Silk Road era when merchants from all over the world traded goods here. There is a large selection of Georgian wines at Meydan Bazar, as well as Georgian clay wine dishware from which to drink it. The bazaar's name, Meydan, comes from the Persian word for square or marketplace, reflecting its long-standing role as a center of trade and exchange. As you approach Meydan Bazar, you'll notice the blend of architectural styles that tell the story of Tbilisi's diverse history. The underground market is housed beneath a modern structure, but as you descend the stairs, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The arched brick ceilings, dim lighting, and narrow passages create an atmosphere that's both intimate and reminiscent of the old-world charm. Once inside, the bazaar offers a treasure trove of Georgian crafts and products. From traditional carpets and handmade jewelry to local wines and spices, Meydan Bazar is the perfect place to find unique souvenirs. You'll also find stalls selling traditional Georgian sweets like churchikhela, a candy made of grape must, nuts, and flour, and taklapi, fruit leather. One of the highlights of visiting Meydan Bazar is interacting with the local vendors. Many of them are artisans who create the products they sell, and they're always happy to share the stories behind their crafts. Don't be shy to haggle a bit, it's all part of the experience. Meydan Bazar is more than just a market, it's a living piece of Tbilisi's history and a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the authentic culture of Georgia. Whether you are shopping for souvenirs or simply soaking in the atmosphere, this vibrant marketplace offers a glimpse into the soul of the city. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Meydan Bazar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Our walk begins in the labyrinthine streets of Old Tbilisi, where every corner reveals a piece of history. As we stroll through the streets, you'll hear the sounds of daily life. The streets are alive with a mix of old and new, where ancient buildings stand alongside trendy boutiques and art galleries. Along the way, we pass some of Old Tbilisi's most iconic landmarks. Keep an eye out for the Anchiskati Basilica, the oldest surviving church in the city, and the Sioni Cathedral, a symbol of Tbilisi's spiritual heritage. We'll also catch glimpses of the Narikla fortress perched on a hill, offering a reminder of the city's strategic importance throughout history. As we continue our walk, we make our way towards the modern marvel that is the Bridge of Peace. This pedestrian bridge, with its sleek, glass and steel design, contrasts beautifully with the historic surroundings. It's a symbol of Tbilisi's forward-looking spirit, connecting the old city with the new. Arriving at the Bridge of Peace, we take a moment to admire its unique architecture. The bridge, designed by Italian architect Michele De Lucchi, spans the Kura River and offers stunning views of both the old and new parts of Tbilisi. As we cross, we are treated to a panoramic view of the city's skyline, the river below, and the mountains in the distance. Thank you for joining us on this scenic stroll through Old Tbilisi to the Bridge of Peace. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Until we meet again, take care and bye.